What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Kelly Builds. If you are new here, I am a stay-at-home mom who is restoring a 1974 BMW 2002, and today's video is going to be a little different. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. I've kind of been like teasing what's going on. So I can't physically go and pick up what I'm getting for my car. I will be staying home with the kids, just interferes with nap time and we don't have childcare and whatever. So my husband is going to be taking you guys along for what we are picking up, or what he's picking up. So he's got extra hose here.
Secret reasons. For
secret reasons. So yeah, I'll just let him take you guys along. He'll just do some little clips so you can see, and then when it's back here, we'll just go from there.
All right, just showed up here. This is the first one. Hood and trunk lid look pretty good. The rest of it has common rot. This door is pretty beat up. But everything seems to be here. Back seat looks decent. Yeah, he just pulled in.
Yeah. Are you a BMW guy?
My wife is. This is the second one. The white one. This one's pretty beat up. Just taking it because, you know, it's kind of a package deal. Can't really tell the condition. The back window's missing. Front clip is missing. The fenders are in here. It seems to be a 5-speed. You know, it's got some parts in here, but I don't know how much. But there is a nice deck lid here, like actually really nice. And oh, I didn't notice that. Oh, a little bubble of rot. Maybe not the nicest, but then this bonnet hood looks pretty decent. Look at down here or something, but you know, overall pretty solid. Paint's better than what's on Kelly's car. And this in here, you can tell parts were scavenged, or somebody tried to fix it, cut the whole strut towers out. That's a common problem in these cars, so I'm not surprised to see those cut. Floors got holes in them, normal stuff, but you know, little things like this we don't have on the car. You know, random trims. So it's going to be nice to scavenge parts off of. And of course, this bad boy. Got two of these we can try not to break. But overall, you know, pretty decent scores. Alright, so we just moved the Bronco out of the way. Time to pull these two out. Chris is backing up his truck. We're gonna winch it on up. Up on the truck, getting all loaded up. About to head out. Chris is gonna come back and get the other car, that one right there, and then just drop it off later. But today this is coming with the extra hood we're gonna put probably right there. Boom! Somebody punched that. Or it got smashed in somehow. Let's see.
Full Model A, full fended, male head, 4-speed.
Don't look too bad under here. You know, besides the sheet metal. This is messed up, but the deck lid itself is nice. Hope that don't fly off now that I ripped it off. Yeah, random piece. It looked like he was trying to fix it. You know.
Let's take a look.
Squeaky girl. Here you go.
Over me. I have the monitors.
Why do you have them in your hand? Yeah. So the other one's way nicer.
So, you're not sure about running through?
Yeah, we're not sure.
That Z idea was a little crazy. It looked wide, didn't it?
Yeah, it would have to have
A lot of verification.
a lot of that. For her first project, I don't think that's the best.
Something. I think all the first one.
Yeah.
Just trying to get like a nice road to sell it or something.
Popped up for something.
Something super reliable. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. I'll look at the parts to see how like rusty it is.
How we doing back there?
We got some room. Think it'll just get off in the deck.
We can block it and I can roll out from under it if it's too close.
Well, it rolls nice, that's the thing. Yeah, we're gonna have to block
Put it in gear.
It's so funny. It like just looks better than mine just because it's not
Because it's like
busted.
uniform.
Yeah. And it's probably in worse shape than mine. What?
See the trunk lid in there?
No,
Nice on it?
I didn't.
It might have a couple dents, but I think it's nice.
Yeah.
So it don't scratch the windshield if someone hits the smart.
Good, that's good.
Because usually that happens.
Yeah.
There's big scratches all in it. It's got nothing. No scratches.
Look at even the seal though.
Huh?
The seal
Decent.
compared to what how
Probably
mine was.
safe for dash area.
That's what's so wet.
Oh, look at the roof. I never noticed that. Good thing is it's just a parts car. Look at that. Sand that off and paint it. Done. It's just little scratches. Complaining about a couple scratches over there.
Is there gonna be like dead mice in here?
I don't know, maybe. He had
Should I shut this off now? Oh, this is weird looking.
back up's honestly not bad. It's open so mice can get in it, you dum-dum.
There's a hole on that side that for sure is housing something.
Oh, this?
Yeah,
Yeah, where the speaker was?
yeah,
Probably.
yeah. You know I don't fuck with mice. So, surprise, surprise, I have a parts car. I actually have two parts cars. This is just the first one that came today. The second one we're gonna be getting on Friday. Travis's friend so graciously helped us out. And it's so funny because everybody looks at my car and thinks it looks like poo-poo caca because of this and on the roof. But you look at this and your initial thought is like, wow, looks pretty freaking good. But then you look at it, well, there's so many spots that you could look at it.
Roof.
Like, just terrible. Just terrible. How is it on the floor over here? Like, so much is like busted on this. So even though it looks like it would be better than my car is actually in better shape. So don't sleep on her. How was that? So yeah, this is one of two. I have a bunch of parts also that came with it. So the hood over there, as you probably remember in one of my first videos, I absolutely do not mess with mice. And this car is for sure home to many mice. But I went back here, I'll show you. Like, you know, look at it. Cut out, it just, you know. Can you move that? So that is exciting. This was always a Ford house, but I'm turning it into a BMW house very quickly. So that I will be putting on this. I mean, this tarp's honestly not doing too much because there was water in my floor pans, but yeah, I don't really remember what came with the other car. I didn't even really see what the listing was. Someone had sent it to my husband and it was kind of like a no-brainer, like we're just gonna do it. Oh, this looks good. So yeah, that is my new and exciting parts car. Also guys, so important is the windshield. No cracks, like how on mine we have the cracks. So I have this one and then I have another windshield obviously on the other car. So that will go on that. And I am not gonna do it. I obviously learned that the hard way, that we'll just leave that to a professional to do. So yeah, thank you guys so much for following along, and yeah, I hope you're as excited about this as me. We were kind of wondering how the bodies were gonna be, because like maybe we wouldn't even go with this, we would go with another car if that one was better and work from there, but mine is still staying true, and like, you know, she's still the best one out there at the moment for me. So it is absolutely freezing. I will just want to wrap up and say thank you guys again. So much support, so many good tips and tricks and stuff, and I will see you guys on the next one when I get my second car.